So hi guys, welcome to my channel, and we are gonna play Grow a Garden again. And my avatar is new now. Look at my avatar, it's new. I miss you so much guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will gonna upgrade my garden. Okay. Look at my new avatar in Grow a Garden. So comment Team Jandel or Team Sammy. And do you know guys how to get this? This right here. Look at it, just right here. Right here. So wait guys, I'm gonna reset because I'm lagging. So okay. I am I will I will join again because I'm lagging. So that is because my team is Team Gender. Comment to the comment section. What are you team? Team Gender or Team Sammy? So we are gonna join to the. Oh my God, my classmate is right here. He have one one view. So right here. Bruh, I'm lagging right now. And look at my bamboo seed. It's so massive. So my I am just noob, but I have seven. But I have five children because I just come to my neighbor so that we are gonna be with because we are gonna join again because we are lagging. So we are gonna reset. So we are gonna do this. So now you see my face now, but I am doing the face figure if we hit 8, 10, 10k 10k likes on this video. So there, oh, this is how to get this team team Jantel. Team Jantel is avatar is right here. Yeah, is here. So my 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 hackers is 5 trillion because I get scammed. And my bamboo is so big. My bamboo is so big. It was so shiny. What is this? Oh my God! I'm starting to get. Oh, what is this? New. Can I get this? I have so I have oh, what's that? Oh my God! That is so massive. Oh my God! that on YouTube. So bye guys, and subscribe to and subscribe to my cousin Mr. Mr. channel. Bye. Subscribe.